Good morning and welcome to Florida day 8. Before I start this, I would just like to say please do not use red lipstick as face paint because I don't know if you can see, but my face is stained and I've washed my face so many times it's not come out. But it's okay, it's fine, we just gotta live with it. The plan of action for today is I'm gonna start packing because I wanna have a full day in all the parks tomorrow if possible. So I'm gonna start packing this morning and I'm gonna then head to Animal Kingdom for the night because I kind of want to see Pandora in the night time because it looks all pretty all lit up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then maybe we'll go to dinner afterwards. Don't know, we're winging it today, guys. Might do some resort hopping as well. Why not? But yeah, let's start packing. Okay, so we've just got to put, what is these bits? I don't know what this bit of hair's doing. We've just got to put all of the shopping into the suitcase. So this is everything I bought. To be fair, actually not a lot. Just got to pop it in here. Now obviously my clothes have also got to go in here. So we need to sort some stuff. Loving the pile of dirty washing over here. Obviously I don't have a washing machine so I can't wash it. So this is my pile of dirty washing. These are my clothes. Just got to get them out. Leave clothes out that I'm wearing. The rest of the... Oh, and about last night. Yum. So I've just separated these into what I will be taking home, what I won't. I do not like Twix or Snickers. Oh, taking that. And whatever this thing is. Because that just looks like a brace's worst nightmare. So I'm going to give these out today. Oh, hello again. Only me. So I have packed some of my suitcase. A lot of it's still on the bed. Because obviously I've still got a couple of days. So my idea is I've got my clothes out that I'm travelling in. I've got my clothes out for tomorrow. If I can pack everything else, I'll be laughing. So we are gonna go to Disney Springs. I want to go to the French Quarter to get beignets. Then we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom. And then on the way back, we're gonna go to 7-Eleven. One, because I have to get my friend a drink called Four Loko, which you can only get in gas stations, which makes no sense because it's alcoholic. And two, because I'm a massive Heathers fan and I need a Slurpee. And then we're going to go to Walmart again and we're going to get some Celsius for me to take back home because you can't get Celsius in the UK. And then I come back here and I'm going to pack and I'm going to relax because I've got to get early in the morning because I need to get the Guardians of the Galaxy virtual queue because we're at Epcot in the morning. But we're having a very, very busy day tomorrow. So, let's go. This side of my suitcase is completely full, but it's just literally sweets and food. I can't show you that. But, yeah. Coming on the plane with me. So I've got loads of room in here because my backpack, Vampire Teddy, he has to go in my bag, so he'll be going on my hand luggage in my suitcase handler. Well, isn't that a bit of cheesy parking right on the end? Woo-hoo! Now we're just gonna go downstairs. The temperature has dropped drastically. Like, I wouldn't say it was cold, I'm still in shorts and a t-shirt, but I'm really glad I brought my jacket today because I feel like at some point I'm gonna need it. My legs are a bit cold already. Don't know what happened. What happened to the Florida heat? Where did my heat go? Okay, so yeah, Orange Garage is definitely the way to go because the buses are literally right here. It's so pretty here. I kind of want to stay here now. Look how cool. Where are we going? I'm so excited. We're right there. We're gonna eat them. I got the beignets. I don't even know where to start. Yes, ma'am. Worth the trip. That was definitely worth the trip here. It was a very messy snack. Ice and sugar is everywhere, but I really did enjoy that. So I'm going to explore the resort for a bit, I think. I think I want to look around. It's a really nice resort. And then I'm going to get the bus to Animal Kingdom. Can you see the red lipstick still? Can you see it? Oh, plastic won't come off. Guys, look, there's like Mardi Gras like coins in the thing. So cute. I love that they have these at the resorts. You can use a watercraft to get to Disney Springs from here? Cool. Queen of the bus! Yes! Queen of the bus! Animal Kingdom. Oh, the lamppost in my way. They are so cute. Is he coming to say hello to me? Get the pumpkin. Get the pumpkin. Aww. Are you gonna get the pumpkin? No.
Plants die. And without plants, all the dinosaurs.
Oh my god, not.
With you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon. And I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
For the last time ever. I'm really gonna miss this ride.
10 seconds and counting.
This now. Let's go get that dino.
Impact.
Brace yourself!
Oh, this has been the best part of my trip, seeing these things. Look at it. Meow, meow.
Oh my gosh!
My sister has you, but she's not here, so I'm sorry. I do apologise.
It's real!
Let's get a face now.
Oh my goodness! It's Kevin! That's so cool. Okay, Everest, for the last time this trip, let's go. I'm gonna miss Dino Land USA. Oh, the memories. I'm gonna go in this mirror. Oh, it makes me look fatter than I am. That's nice. Thank you. I got one game ticket. It was $6. What one should we use it on? I think we're gonna play Comet Crasher. Wish me luck. We didn't win, but that is fun to do. They are $6 a token though, so. But it is fun. Since Dinosaur is closing, and this will probably be the last time I ever ride Dinosaur, I am going to do it back to back. I'm literally going to do it, and then I'm going to run around and I'm going to do it one last time. And I'm going to put my camera away because I really want to savour this moment. Dinosaur is a really good ride to me, and it's one of my absolute favourites. So I'm going to savour this, I'm going to put you away, and I'll be back in a little while without getting emotional. I gathered I'd queue up for one. It's a 35-minute wait, but I actually don't remember the last time I queued in this section of the park.
Hello there. Welcome.
It broke down. I can't believe it. I didn't get to ride it the 2 times I wanted to. It officially broke down. It broke down once and I waited, and then it broke down again and they were like, no, everyone's got to leave. So I'm like, oh, I'm really upset I don't get to ride it one more time. I'm not actually crying, by the way. My eyes are just watering because I just yawned. But yeah, I'm quite upset about that. I'm literally sitting outside of it in hopes that it comes back up in a minute, but I really don't think it's going to come back up. I think that's it. Oh, Pandora. Beauty. Okay, sun's setting. It's time for flights of passage.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Oh, yes. You've all got them.
Oh no. Okay, the more I ride flights of passage, the more I like it. The sun is setting, just come out of it. I've got a dance pass for the river journey at 5:02, so hopefully when we come out of that, it'll be 7, the park will be closed and it'll be lit up. Oh, that's pretty. I have my jacket on. In Florida. Okay, it's somewhat dark. Can't see the floor glowing yet though. Bear with. It is trying to. It's just not quite dark enough. I'm gonna touch it. It don't do anything. Oh, here you go. This bit's glowing a bit. Hey, it's glowing more here. Kind of. Yeah. It's pretty. Oh, bloody buses. Got stuck 15 minutes late for my reservation at Planet Hollywood and now I'm legging it. Made it. That definitely was not here last time. That's absolutely terrifying. Oh my god. I'm gonna sing over it so I can use it. Way! What more are you looking for? I cannot sing. I am tone deaf. But this is only way I can avoid the copyright claims. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I know it's very annoying, but I can't help it. YouTube has rules and I have to follow them. I got the bird is the word, which is absolutely delicious. I'm so hungry right now. That was so good. Smashed it. Holy moly, it's freezing out. What on earth happened to the Florida sun? I really hope we get some Florida sun tomorrow. That was a really nice dinner. I actually got it around my mush. How am I getting on? That's my scar. So now I'm going back to my car. We go to 7-Eleven. I'm gonna go to Walmart and then we're gonna go back. I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna comb my hair, pack my stuff away. I've got a very, very busy day tomorrow and a very early one. So we need an early lunch. Hi. I'd like you to know that I've just got back to my car. I've put the heating on. In Florida, I've put the heating on. I was actually sweating so badly yesterday at the parks. I nearly put my wet towel around my neck. And today, I've put the heating on. My room's gonna be freezing as well. It's 15 degrees. What? I have no idea what's happened. I'm so confused. Anyway, let's go to 7-Eleven. Seems every time I'm about to despair, there's a 7-Eleven right there. I pray at my altar of slush. Yeah, I live for that sweet frozen rush. Freeze your brain. When I tell you I just nearly had a heart attack, my lens wouldn't go in and it was my going. Oh my god, I just had a heart attack. Honestly thought I'd broke my camera. I was actually about to cry. Woo! Okay, sorry. Right. Because I'm out, I'm gonna quickly go to Walmart and just one more time check if they've got any bad luck lime. Might get myself a bottle of wine. And then back to the hotel. Hi, me again. Okay, so I'm back in the room. I've packed more stuff. I've just realised I've cut my eyebrow. Brilliant. I had a shower. I washed the hair and I blow dried my hair. I've not curled it. I'm gonna do that in the morning. Very, very long day tomorrow. Very long day. I'm not sure if you can actually park hop and do more than one park, if that makes sense, because obviously the restrictions are in place. We need to ask tomorrow, but I will let you know. If it is a case of we can only park hop to one other park, it will be Epcot and then Magic Kingdom. But if we can hop to more than one park, it will be Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom. I'm gonna pop into Hollywood Studios Friday morning, just before I go home anyway. So yeah. But anyway, if you did like this vlog, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Florida day 9. Sweet dreams. Bye.